today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank slate to a polished form that's ready to collect the information you need, using HubSpot's built-in tools. Start by signing into your HubSpot account so you're in the correct workspace for your team. Once you're in, look along the top navigation bar for the marketing section. This is where HubSpot keeps the tools that help you attract and convert visitors, and it's the home for forms. Open Marketing, then head to Forms. You'll arrive at the Forms area, where you can see any existing forms your organization has created. This view is helpful for staying consistent with naming and style, but today we're focused on making a new one. Next, click Create Form. HubSpot will guide you into a flow where you select a starting point. You'll see a variety of templates designed for common use cases, like contact collection, newsletter signups, or event registration. Templates save time by giving you a sensible structure out of the box. If you see a template that matches your goal, choose it. If you prefer to control every field from the beginning, select a simple or minimal template and customize from there. There's no wrong choice, just pick the option that gets you closest to your intended outcome. After you select a template, you'll land in the editor. This is where the real shaping happens. You can edit questions, fields, and other elements to fit your needs. Rename field labels so they're clear and friendly, and add brief help text where extra context will reduce confusion. Choose the right field types like single-line text, drop-downs, date pickers, or checkboxes, so answers are structured and easy to analyze later. Mark only truly essential questions as required to keep completion rates high. Rearrange the order of fields to create a natural flow, grouping related items together and placing simple questions first. Take a moment to fine-tune the Submit button text so it reflects the action someone is taking, like subscribe or request info. If needed, include a consent or agreement checkbox, and write concise, plain language explanations that set clear expectations. Pay attention to error and validation messages so they guide users gently when something's missing or formatted incorrectly. Keep your form short, readable on mobile, and accessible with clear labels and logical tab order. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to marketing, opened forms, created a form, selected a template, and customized it in the editor. With these steps, you're ready to build forms that are straightforward for visitors and valuable for your team.